What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys don't know, DJi, they have announced a sneak peek of Pocket 3. Yeah, a sneak peek of Pocket 3. So we have been seeing the rumors, the leaks a little bit here and there throughout social media, but overall, as some of you guys know, I have the Pocket 2 and I've been rocking with it for a while because that's been my baby here for a while, through shooting, through whenever I'm doing some cycling vlog and sports vlog, everywhere. This kind of bad boy, it's really sorting me out, and it's been a while, it's been a journey. It's almost like 2 years right now since I'm having it, and it's a really great and amazing kind of Pocket 2, I can say. So the Pocket 3 is just around the corner, and as some of you guys don't know, today we're going to talk about what's coming, because we probably have all the clues on what's coming. So we're going to talk about what's the 1-inch sensor which they're releasing throughout it. The display is rotatable right now, and it's a little bit more minified, but it's a little bit more enhanced, and it's really packed with bunch of features. So today we're going to get started, guys, and see what's packed. And yeah, enjoy on this kind of amazing tech video of the day, and let's get started. So guys, as some of you guys don't know, the Pocket 3 will be having a 1-inch CMOS sensor. So the 1-inch CMOS sensor is capable of shooting slow motion up to 120 frames per second, which is really good improvement throughout there, and it has impressive 2-inch rotating display, and it's gonna be really amazing. And another kind of stuff, it will be having the 3-axis gimbal and mechanical stabilization combined with the swift focusing and active track 6.0, which is gonna be really improved. And another kind of stuff, for the tech enthusiasts, the Pocket 3 can record D-Log, which is really dope, and it has 10-bit color. So it's a really good change if we see in this kind of perspective. For the I find it like whenever the Pocket was launched up to now, it took a lot of time, and DJi saw it that a lot of people, they wanted it, and last year we wanted it but we didn't get it. This year we wanted it, right now we're getting it. So I think it's much better for a tech to take a while a little bit, so as we can sustain with the other tech and keeping on improving on that field and understanding the tech much deeper, very deeper, compared to a real quick tech coming up. So I really give a heads up throughout the Pocket 3. This is a really good change. So another kind of stuff you can see here is sneak peek, which says 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is shooting video 4K to 120 fps. And another kind of stuff, we're having the rotatable screen, and I believe the 3-axis gimbal mechanical stabilization might be rotating, so as you can shoot vertical videos. So it's going to be really amazing throughout here. And another kind of stuff, it has active track 6.0, and it has full pixel fast focusing. So as some of you guys all know, the Pocket 2 is really good when it comes to focus too. So it doesn't mean that it's quite no bad, it's really still good when it comes to focus, but we're getting much better focusing throughout the sensor side, which is a really great thing. Another kind of stuff, we're having the stereo recording, which even on the Pocket 2 had a stereo recording. Sorry guys, that's not Netflix, that notification. Another kind of stuff, we are having the stereo recording. You know, the stereo recording, the way it does the thing, it's really incredible, but right now we're seeing more improved. And another kind of stuff, it's pocket sized. We all know it's a pocket size, same as a Pocket 2, but it might be a little bit differently. Now, talking about a little bit different, it might be here on this side. You see, I have a picture for reference here. You can see it might be a little bit shorter, so you might be having to mount a tripod in here, so as you can have full control. Like, I find it on the Pocket 2 side, the way they kept the button is much clever, but if this one is going to be a little bit smaller on this side, I guess they have just to you know, get a tripod which you can extend. Like let me show you. You may getting something like this Manfrotto, or you can get any tripod handling throughout here, so as you can keep it on your pocket 3 and use it. You see, it's a little bit smaller, and the controlling, it's a little bit different. So I really like the Pocket 2 style. I don't know about you guys, but the Pocket 2 style looks really dope. Another kind of stuff which is much improved is the USB microphone compatibility. As some of you guys all know, the Pocket 2 has another clip which you just clip it, so as you can get an external microphone or whatever you want through the clipping. Like, you clip it, you remove it and stuff like that. But on the Pocket 3, I wish, or I think there might be a port for the USB Type-C normally, and it's gonna be supporting external microphone just by docking it, and it's gonna be really cool throughout that. If it does that, it's gonna be really amazing, because this one bad boy, it doesn't do that. How do you connect an extender so as you can get those features? But it's quite not bad still, but still I wish you could connect a Type-C, and if you have an external microphone or you have a microphone, you can record throughout here. It will be much great, but overall still it's quite not bad. Okay guys, this is how it really looks like. So I'll be honest, I really love the way they kept it. Really cool. The form factor is quite not bad, but I wish these buttons here, they could just go on top. But since the screen is tilting, it's impossible for it to just do that. But I really prefer the Pocket 2 style. If they could just maintain that and give us just, you know what I mean, it's just the same, I understand, but I feel like the buttons, man, the buttons, I find it's much better through this side. I know the Pocket 2, if you remove this bad boy here down, you might be getting the same style but a little bit differently. So that's the only thing which, to my perspective, I find it. But overall, it's a great Pocket 3 which we're waiting for it, and I'm so excited just to see it, touch it and use it and explore how much the 1-inch sensor with a 4K 120 frame rates per second. It's gonna be really bananas throughout here, and it's gonna be really great. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the DJi Osmo Pocket 3. Do you think it's a really great and amazing game changer, or you're like, man, let me just stick with my Pocket 2 and it's really great? To be honest, I love the Pocket 2, even if it comes to the microphone. Even if I'm outdoor, I'll be honest, the Pocket 2 usually capture good sound, even if it will be a little bit like, you know, those sound which are like shh because of the windy, but still this bad boy really it's great. Just imagine Pocket 2 how much it is with the features which it's packed, but the Pocket 3, how will it be in reality? And I'll be honest, the Pocket 3 will be really super dope. It's like an advancement of the Pocket 2, as we all know, but much amazing. So that's what's up, guys. I don't want to take a lot of your time. I hope you guys are waiting for the 25th of October when DJi, they're officially announcing it, and I'm really pumped to see it, and it's going to be really cool. So that's what's up, guys. Up to on the next one, guys. I hope you understand. I hope you get the info a little bit clear, you know what I mean? Up to on the next one. You're new here, consider subscribing. Yo guys, just support on my channel. I'll be honest, I've been doing this thing for a little bit longer, and you guys are the one keeping these sheep going. So the sheep, if it just goes floating, it won't be cool, you know what I mean? So that's what's up, guys. Support me throughout there by subscribing, liking this video, sharing with your friends. Let them know that the DJi Osmo 3 is about just to pop up, and if you have the DJi Pocket 2, this is the right time for you to grab this bad boy, and it's gonna be really cool. But if you still want to use your Pocket 2, still Pocket 2 stands out and it's really dope, and I give it go. So that's what's up, guys. Up to the next one. Yeah.